Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon, and after that click and hold it to open the Bluetooth settings, and do the same on this device second that you want to connect. So in my case it is the smartphone, and right now they are looking for each other, so we have to be patient and just wait. And right now, if you got on the both smartphones in the available devices your phone that you can connect, so just simply tap on it, and right now accept the pair on the both smartphones. And as you can see right now, they are here paired, and right now we can simply transfer files, for example, or the contacts, or whatever you want to do. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!